Investment has evolved. More than a financial commitment, investment now represents shared ideals, a common philosophy for together.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear guests. First of all, I would like to thank the United Arab Emirates Vice President and Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, for the patronage and inviting us to this event, as well as His Excellency Sultan bin Said Al Mansouri, UAE Minister of Economy, for organizing Annual Investment Meeting 2016. It is an honor and great opportunity to join you today in stunning Dubai at the 6th edition of the meeting. We are all honored to have such an amazing audience, starting from high government officials of numerous countries, ending up with private sector representatives of leading companies from different economic sectors across the whole world. As our topic of today is the new world of FDI, key features and best practices, let me congratulate United Arab Emirates and Dubai for all their achievements that turned the country into one of the model countries in the world. Today, we as governors face increasingly complex challenges and demands. These challenges come at a time when economy, society, and environment are undergoing a process of fundamental transformation. In order to meet new demands, we need to transform and learn to be more efficient in complex, interlinked, and fast-changing environment. Countries need to redesign governance structures, become more open, and involve society and private sector in shaping better and sustainable public services. 21st century establishes new set of rules for the whole society, and governments have to reposition and change to take the lead in this process. As you know, Georgia is a country with old history, now focusing on creation of a modern state with efficient democratic institutions and free market economy. Let me try to tell you the story of Georgia in the most direct way possible. We are a small, strategically located country of nearly 4 million population with enormous economic potential. We are a democracy. We believe in a free, open, and transparent business environment. According to the World Bank, we are one of the easiest countries in the world to do business. We have the 9th lowest tax burdens in the world, according to the World Economic Forum. Few examples: company profit tax, 15%, personal income tax, 20%, VAT, 18%. Taxes are flat, non-increasing. We have eradicated corruption. Over the last 5 years, we have attracted billions of FDI and unemployment has dropped. We have universal health care and a strong education system, meaning a healthy and intelligent workforce. The major credit rating agencies view us as stable. Our rule of law is strong and constantly improving. Any business disputes are settled fairly without any government interference. Of particular importance, Georgia is located in the middle of a vast free trade network. One of the great recent achievements was the signing of deep and comprehensive free trade area agreement with the European Union in 2014. We also have free trade agreements with Turkey, Russia, and the rest of the CIS countries. We just concluded free trade negotiations with EFTA countries, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland, which will enter into force in the first half of 2017. We are currently negotiating a free trade agreement with China, intending to conclude by the end of this year. By finalizing an agreement with China, we will have preferential access to 1/3 of the world's market. The revitalization of the Silk Road makes Georgia's position at the center of European-Asia trade increasingly important. Transit networks running through Georgia can bring goods from China to Europe much faster than sea routes. Georgia's free trade links allow it to be a major tariff-free regional distribution point. The priority of the government of Georgia is to ensure long-term sustainable development and inclusive growth. Our agenda is as comprehensive as ever. The government has adopted a four-point reform agenda. The priorities of the Georgian government are: first, economic development reforms, which include further lightening of the tax burden, creating growth-friendly tax system, capital market development, new pension system. Second, introducing second pillar pension system, education system reform targeted at maximizing quality of teaching in secondary schools and higher education oriented on bridging the gap between profession supply and demand. Third, infrastructure service development. We plan to accelerate the development of spinal road infrastructure by building east-west and south-north corridors. Our aim is to utilize Georgia's potential as a key Silk Road country between Europe and Asia, as well as its touristic potential. And finally, open governance. Among many others, our plan is to further increase the involvement of the private sector in legislative process and improve and modernize public service provision. We have introduced single window principle for all government services. At the end, I would like to emphasize, we strongly believe all the above mentioned will ensure our success to meet increasing demand of society, our partners, investor community, and building a better country. Thank you very much for your attention.